This is day 4 at Cyprus. Today we are going to Paphos or Paphos. Hello.
Hello.
Do you have coffee?
Iced coffee.
Only iced coffee. Okay. This will do.
Morning.
Iced coffee. Thank you. So this is the only thing I could get. There's no coffee machine, so no fresh coffee. If I want a fresh coffee, I have to go like over 2 kilometers away. Here things are so different. For example, the highway is beyond those hills, and there's nothing. There's nothing along the way. If you want something, you have to take an exit and come to the nearest town. There are some signs indicating services, and this is what you get. Simple and plain gas station with some snacks and drinks, but no more than that. There's no fresh coffee, there's no fresh food. You have to go to the town or a restaurant. So if you travel, for example, from Limassol to Paphos, you won't get anything along the way. You have to exit on any of the towns. This coffee is a trap. You can see it already dripping or leaking. Look. So I'm going to drink and it's going to spill all over me. It's alright. A bit bready. This brand is so much better. So we have arrived, by the way. Hello. Can I get 2 tickets, please? With card? There's an app. So this place basically is a set of tombs that were discovered and excavated. They are about 10 or something like that. And it's an archaeological place, open to the public. The ticket costs $2.50, like you already saw. And by the way, this time I brought my glasses because yesterday there was so much sun and it was so bright that I could barely read the signs on the place. The name of the place is not 100% accurate because it's called archaeological site of the tombs of the king. But not necessarily kings were buried here, instead rich people. These steps are so tall. People were giants back then. The same as yesterday. Bring comfortable shoes, a water bottle, a hat, maybe some glasses. Because it's really hot, there's no shade, no place where you can cover. This is like a dune. I'm stepping on sand. I want to get a better view of the ship. I find the ship more interesting. I think if a company manages to make a tour to a shipwreck, they would make a lot of money. This is the best view I can get from this side. So yeah. I wonder what kind of plant or vegetation is this. Maybe the water came all the way here at some point. So these stone pyramids are made by people. So if you come, don't leave before making one. I'm going to make one and show you. There, just a small one. Just to say that I was here. It's getting really hot. People are coming out from there. But I'm going in instead. I'm reaching my archaeology sites limit. If you look on Google Maps, this is thumb number 3, and I believe it's the highlight. This is quite unique. It's really nice. So, look on Google Maps, thumb number 3. To give you a perspective, it's October 12th and still really hot, almost 30 degrees. And this is some thumb 5. Look at those pigeons. They are silent assassins, like ninjas, just waiting for the right moment to shit all over you. Maybe they are not that sneaky. There's a lot of evidence. So I'm done with the site. And what I mean with done is literally done. The highlight is thumb number 3. That's the one that you have to see. If you saw that one, then you saw everything. That's the most beautiful one and the most reserved one. So we're visiting now the archaeological site of Nea Paphos. This is on the corner of the city and close to the old town. Well, actually the other one was also close to the old town. One thing worth to mention is that all sites are really cheap and I didn't have to pay parking on any of them. Parking has been free all along. They also have an app here. One ticket for 50. The thing that I want to see the most is the castle. So I'm going to head that way first and then we'll see the rest. Yeah, okay, what a waste of time. It seems that the castle is now part of the public area and this is a private area, so I can't go that way. I have to see first the site and then go out and see the castle. God damn it.
Aha, das ist ja sogar ein Mensch da im Grossfond. Wie heißt der denn?
As you saw, the highlight on this place are mostly mosaics. So this is the view that you get. You can see the ship there. This is the house of Dionysius. These mosaics feel like more modern carpets. So yeah, I get that's a good explanation. Mosaics on the floor are like nowadays carpets. And we reached the lighthouse. I think it's fully operational because there's a fence around it. They don't want people going in. I'm so hot that I can't talk anymore. So it's 3 p.m. and a guy just told us to leave because the lighthouse is closed. So it closes early. Maybe on the summertime it will close at 4, but since we're on the winter time, although it doesn't feel like it, it closes at 3. So if you are short on time, come first to the lighthouse. So now I'm heading to the entrance. I saw enough. I think the highlights are the big house where all the mosaics are and the castle. So if you leave the archaeological site and you go and you take a right, there's a promenade. I think the boats are cruises that they take you for a ride and then they come back. Okay, so important thing to know, the castle is not included. I guess that's why they separated. One, it doesn't make sense to put the castle with an archaeological site, and second, they can charge extra. The funny thing is that on the map, they both appear together. So from up here, you get view to the marina, to the sea, to the beaches, and you can see a bit of the archaeological site. Okay, we spent enough time here. So that's it. It was really small. So that was the castle. I'm going to the end of the pier to see if there's something else to see. One thing that I think that Cyprus is missing is a combi ticket. We had to purchase almost 10 tickets to visit all the archaeological places, including castles, and that's just a waste of paper. Countries like Italy and Greece have combi tickets in Rome and Athens. So you can visit all the archaeological places and all the historic places with just one ticket, and when you go to those places, they will check the ones that you visit. That says paper, time, queues, and you pay once and that's it. If you look on Google for the P's that are indicated as municipal parking, those are free to park. No, I was wrong. You have to pay. So you have to send an SMS to 9191 with the number of your parking slot, or if you don't have a European phone, then you can download the app that you saw on that sign. So yeah, the SMS only works if you have a Cyprus mobile phone number. If not, you need the app. And when you get that app, they will make you download another app, and that's the one that you can use. So yeah, it's a bit complicated. So the one you need is this one. It's still really quiet. I guess everybody's still at the beach. Look at this. It's really weird. It's like someone's in a rush to build the park, and they didn't finish demolishing the other building. So now we are just walking the old town. It doesn't look that old actually. So this is the viewpoint from the old town. That doesn't look that old. I just bought this crap. It tastes awful. So one of these buildings is the town hall. I think this is one of the nicest squares that I've seen so far in Cyprus. I really like these murals. They are really cool. There's information of the artist if you're interested. So we are here to see the Aphrodite Rock. It's the last stop of the day. And it's actually a bit dangerous to cross here. Cars are going really fast. So although there's a lot of people, I don't know how legal it is to do that, because everything is closed. You have to jump there. We used that rock to cross. And there's a beach down there. The rest stop even has a shower, so if after you go to the water you want to shower, yeah, you can do that there. So it seems there's a tunnel actually. I'll try that one on the way back. There's a lot of people here. It seems that some people spend the whole day here. Truly a beautiful view. It's way on the rock. The sunset is truly beautiful. I think this is a great time to come if you don't want to bathe at the beach. There's people up there. That's really dangerous actually.
Raphael?
Okay, so let's try this tunnel. It might be safer than crossing the roadway. I think it's not properly indicated, so people do stupid things like crossing a roadway where cars go really fast. Oh, thank you, that's good to know. So I feel really stupid. 1 sign, 2 signs, 3 signs, 4 signs, 5 signs. So yeah, there are 5 signs and I didn't see any because first, people were crossing the road, so people are already a bad influence. Second, the signs are there, but the first thing you see is a lot of Greek. So when you go to the English part, you already miss it. If the first thing you see is all Greek, then you ignore the sign because you think it's in Greek. So I think the sign needs to be more visual. It needs to be an arrow, very clear, that says that the way to get to the beach is an underground passage and all written in English. So I'm going to end the night with a pizza. On my first day here, I saw a pizzeria and I'm going to give it a try. It has good reviews on Google, so yeah, let's see how it goes. One question, can we order half or it has... Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll get half aegean and half salami.
You gonna eat here?
No, to go. And 2 Coca-Cola Zeros, please.
Okay, you got it.
So this is the place. This is a huge pizza. This pizza is almost as wide as the sidewalk.